Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MongoDB locally. First, confirm your MongoDB server is up and running on your computer. It typically listens on port 27017 by default. You can check its status through your operating system services or by looking for the MongoDB process. This foundational step ensures that there's a database instance ready to accept incoming connections from your applications. Without a running server, no connection can be established. The most common and direct way to connect is by using a standard connection string. This URI typically starts with MongoDB, // followed by localhost and the default port 27017. For example, MongoDB // localhost 27017/. You can also append a specific database name to this string, like MongoDB // localhost 27017/mydatabase, to connect directly to it. This string tells your application exactly where to find the MongoDB instance. To programmatically connect, you'll use a MongoDB driver for your chosen language, such as Node, JS, Python, or Java. Instantiate a new client object from the driver, providing your connection's string as an argument. Then, call the client's connect method, which is often asynchronous, to establish the actual link. This method returns a client instance that you can then use to interact with your databases and collections, performing various operations. After attempting to connect, always verify its success. Most drivers emit a connected event or provide a callback indicating a successful link. If you encounter issues, first ensure your MongoDB server is still running and listening on port 27017. Next, check for any firewall blocks preventing the connection. Finally, double-check your connection string for any typos or incorrect parameters. These steps resolve most common local connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.